Alright, so I didn't do like most of the top, I just patched the holes and then I did the sides all around. I just got to do the front side, which is gonna take me 30 seconds. So it's like 1 a.m. We got that hole patched up with some Flex Seal and some JD Weld, or JD Weld, whatever it is. And got this back part patched up. Tomorrow, or later today, I'm gonna do that flooring, get that in. So I'm kind of doing some ghetto wiring to see if this will work. I've never done any type of wiring in my life.